HR 906 is in the house.
What an exciting time to be in our nation's capital. I'm Bob Fryer, your host, and leaders from the auto care industry are right here in Washington, D.C. for a pivotal event, the Auto Care Association's Legislative Summit.
I've done this now 4 times, starting in 2017, and every year it's been gaining momentum.
It's our job, our voices, help them understand why this is a very critical issue to our industry.
The 2-day event gives industry leaders the chance to connect and collaborate.
Awareness is where it all starts. Without at least a basic level of awareness, and we're not talking about expertise, you don't have to be an expert at anything, but if you have a basic awareness of the issues, I think that's the ground point where you begin.
Advocate and address new concerns.
If we don't win this fight, then it truly means about $100 billion out of the consumers' pockets over a 10 to 15 year period.
I think everybody that puts a roof over their head and food on their table in the automotive aftermarket should be here, should be involved, and should be talking to their members of Congress and the Senate.
With keynote speakers, panel discussions, and interactive workshops, it's a chance to work on new innovations and the issues facing the industry as a whole.
Numbers speak, so that's why so many people actually showing up here, and I think we need more. We're all independent, we're all small guys, right? Together is the only way we can do it.
We learned last night that the Repair Act is scheduled for a hearing.
And it all leads up to the main event this March to Capitol Hill. Face-to-face meetings with lawmakers. The agenda, the Repair Act, also known as the Right to Repair. The bill protects not just the auto care industry as a whole, but also the rights of vehicle owners themselves by giving them access to the same maintenance and repair information that's available to dealers.
Every meeting we had today was positive, successful. They understood. They felt it was a no-brainer.
It was heartening. Given everything you see about DC and everything you see in the news, it was heartening to see the level of engagement.
By allowing competition to stimulate innovation and saving time and money through accessibility and affordability, the Repair Act will have a lasting impact in our industry for years to come.
We just want fair. And when it comes to fair, we're going to win every time. That's when we tell them we do 70% of the repairs and they're blown away. I said, let the customer choose. They're going to come to us.
Certainly we're riding a wave where right to repair is very topical. People are interested in the issue. When we talk about it, what it means for automotive and getting your automobile repaired, it hits home because most of us are car owners.
Without right to repair, there's not a future for all of us.
As the summit draws to a close, it's time for everyone who made the visit to reflect on what they'll take away and determine what next steps are needed.
Just being able to walk through the halls of the United States Senate with purpose, the feeling and being able to engage with lawmakers and their teams in a passionate way was very cool.
We provide the tools, and it's really important for our members to understand that we need their help to convey that message, whether it's here in Washington or at the state level.
Be sure to make your voice heard at the next Auto Care Association's legislative session. Only by getting involved can you truly be an advocate for auto care. For more information, go to autocare.org.